Gardening isn't just about plants, it's about peace, patience, and healing. Herb, every seed planted is a reminder that growth takes time, and that healing can begin right in your backyard. Today on McQueen Green, we're exploring the therapeutic benefits of gardening, how nature restores the mind, body, and soul. First, let's talk about what gardening does for your mind, because its peace runs deeper than the roots. Stress reduction. Tending to plants shifts your focus from worry to wonder. Studies show time in nature can lower stress hormones, heart rate, and blood pressure. Mood improvement. Sunshine and soil release serotonin, nature's happiness booster. Boosting self-esteem. Watching something you planted grow builds pride, confidence, and self-worth. Improved focus and attention. Gardening exercises the mind, planning, problem-solving, and staying present strengthen focus and memory. Sense of purpose. For many, especially older adults or those healing from challenges, gardening brings meaning, something to care for, nurture, and celebrate. Mindfulness. Every touch, scent, and color in the garden grounds you in the moment, a living meditation. While your mind relaxes, your body gets stronger. Increased physical activity. Digging, raking, and planting. Each move works muscles, boosts flexibility, and burns calories. Immune support. Soil microbes strengthen your immune system, they're nature's microscopic trainers. Vitamin D boost. Sunshine on your skin means stronger bones, improved immunity, and better mood. Healthy eating. Growing your own produce encourages a cleaner, more nutritious diet, because nothing beats food from your own hands. Gardening also connects us to people, to place, to purpose. Building community. Community gardens grow friendships as fast as vegetables. They bring people together to learn, share, and support one another. Sharing knowledge. From swapping seeds to trading stories, gardening reminds us that learning never stops, and neither does growing. When you garden, you reconnect with the earth's rhythm, the beauty of growth and decay, of patience and renewal. Appreciating nature's cycles. Each seed planted, each leaf fallen reminds us that change is natural and necessary. Combating eco-anxiety. Planting trees, composting, or conserving water gives hope, turning worry into action. Horticultural therapy, or HT, takes gardening's healing power even further. Herb, it's a formal therapy that uses gardening to help people recover, physically, mentally, and emotionally. Plants don't judge, they respond to care, love, and consistency, no matter your background or ability. For many, gardening success becomes life success, a symbol of resilience and recovery. Gardening teaches us patience, purpose, and peace. It reminds us that growth takes time, but it always comes. So plant something today, not just for your garden, but for your well-being. Herb, because here at McQueen Green, we don't just grow gardens, we grow health, hope, and healing.